Welcome to the tutorial number 20. In this video, we'll be modeling practice problem 6. So here's our model, and first we'll model the base, which is 154 millimeters in length and 72 millimeters in width. We'll go on to the top plane, we press sketch, we draw center rectangle, smart dimension 154 and 72. We then go on to features and extruded boss base. We extrude this for 20 millimeters as it's given here, 20 millimeters. Now we'll draw the sketch of this cut and the extrusion above it. So for that we go on to this face, we press sketch, Ctrl 8, go on to line tool, we go on to the arc, 3-point arc, select the center to be like this. We go on to the line tool, select this, we dimension this line to be 10 millimeters. And this should be 54 millimeters. This should be 6. And this should be, radius should be 18. Select this point, these 3 points, and make them horizontal. Press OK. So the dimensioning is complete. That 10 millimeters is so because this total thickness is 20 millimeters and the left out thickness is 10 millimeters as shown here. So this will be 10 millimeters and the radius of circle is 80 millimeters. We'll draw the SketchUp above part also now. For that we go on to circle, we choose the same center, the radius is 28, so it should be 56 of dia, and the line will draw from here till here, we'll draw it. Then we go on to trim entities and we trim the unwanted parts. This is not needed. Yeah, so it's done now. Oh yeah, and this also. So now we'll finish this sketch. Then we go on to extruded boss base. We select this contour, these two contours, and we select up to surface. We select this one and we press OK. Now we select the sketch again. Then we go on to extruded cut. We select this contour and up to next, and then we press OK. So now this cut has been done. Now we'll cut this part which was there. We select this sketch, we do Control Enter. We go on and choose corner rectangle. Now we'll go and dimension it. So the midpoint of above lines should be vertical to the center point, and the midpoint of this should be in line of the midpoint of this. Make it horizontal. So okay, and this is the total length is 20 millimeters. And then we go on to features, extruded cut for 10 millimeters. We press OK. So now this cut is also done. Now we'll go and model this cylinder. For that we go on to the front plane, we press sketch, we press Ctrl 8, we draw two circles, concentric circles. We give the diameters of them, which is, I suppose, 18 and 36. So outer one is 36, the inner one is 18. The center point of this circle from the bottom edge is 82, and from this rightmost edge is 64 plus 54, as you can see, 64 and 54. So we'll do that. We'll go to the smart dimension, we select the center point, we give it 82, select the center point and this outer rightmost edge, and give it as 64 plus 54. Right. So the circle is done. Now we'll draw this bottom part. So for that we'll draw a line, take a line for this midpoint. Center point will be vertical. We then dimension this line is 10 millimeters. We draw a few lines. Select trim entities, trim these unwanted parts. Go to smart dimension, from this center to this bottom edge, it's 28 millimeters. So we dimension it 28 millimeters. 28, right? Yes, 28. Now we go on to the features, extruded boss base. We select mid plane and we select 36 millimeters total length. As you can see, 36 millimeters, and we press OK. We go on to this bottom face, we go on sketch, convert entities, features, extruded boss base, up to next and OK. Now for the reef feature on this side, we go on to the front plane, we select sketch, we press Ctrl 8, we go on to the line, draw a line, select this line and this and make it tangent, and this line and this circle also tangent. Press OK, and to extend this line we select this circle and convert entities, and then we go on to extend entities and we extend this line. Then we make this, escape, and we make this line for construction. Press OK. Now we go on to the features, we select rib, inverse 10 millimeters, and we press OK. So the rib has been created on this side. Now for this side also we go on and select front plane, we press sketch, Ctrl 8, we go on to line, we draw any line, we'll point it at this bottom, press escape. Now we select this line and this circle and give tangent relation. Then we press OK. Now we go on to features and rib again, and we flip the material side and we press OK. So now the rib for this side has been done. Now for the rib on this side, we'll have to draw a plane on this mid plane. So we go on to the references, we go on to plane, and as the mid of this is, you can see 64 plus 54 millimeters, we'll select this face as the first reference and we give dimension 64 plus 54. We press OK and we flip offset. Now we go on to this plane and we go sketch. We press Ctrl 8. So as this is on this side, we'll have to switch it back. We select this. Make this sketch visible. We go on to line. We select this point and this face. And for this, we go on and select this point and this. For that, we'll have to do convert entities for this line. Convert it. Select these 2 points, make them horizontal. Press OK for construction. Now we go on to features and refeature again. We select this and the material side is inside only 10 millimeters and we press OK. So now this has been created. I'll hide this sketch. Display. Now there are 2 holes on this surface on both the sides. We click on sketch, Ctrl 8. Now we go on to the circle, draw circle. Now for this, the dimensions are given 18 millimeters from here, 18 millimeters from here too, and the diameter is 12. So we'll go on to smart dimension. We select this, we press enter 12. As it is 18 millimeters from here, we give 18. For this, it should be 18 minus 5. As it was 18 from the mid plane, so we'll do 18 minus 5. We go on to features, we go extruded cut. We select through all, press OK. Now we go on to the mirror. We select for the features to mirror, we select this. And mirror plane, we go on and select front plane. We press OK. Now for the oil hole which is on the top and 3 millimeters in dia, we'll just draw another plane on the top which is parallel to the top plane, which will be 82 millimeters plus 18 millimeters away from the top plane. We go on to references, we select plane. First reference we choose as top plane, and this we can do as 82 plus 18. So that will be exactly on the top surface. Now we select this plane, we press sketch, Ctrl 8. Now we'll make this sketch with show. Yeah, now I'll go on to the circle. From this center point, I'll draw a circle. I'll do smart dimension and make it 3 millimeters. So it has been done. I'll hide these sketches again. I go on to features, extruded cut. I select up to next. Press OK. Now the oil has been done. So our whole model has been created now. Go on to isometric view. Now we can compare it with the sketch photo given. Oh, there are fillets too. So for that, we'll go on to the fillet feature. Those are 10 mm fillets. We select these edges. and it's 10 millimeters. We press OK. And there's a fillet of 3 millimeters at this edge also. So we go on to fillet again. We select this. We give the dimension to be 3 and press OK. Now we go on to the isometric view. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to Start Scratch, and check out our other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content.